All right, so we're going to practice how to multiply decimals using models. Okay, so before we start multiplying decimals, we want to model it first so we can get an understanding of how it works. Okay, so anytime you're multiplying anything, you're crossing it, right? Or you're making groups of it. So we have 0.3 times 0.1. That means we have 0.3, 0.1 times. Okay, same time, like a 4 times 2. That means we have 2 4s, so 4 plus 4. This is the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to do it and it'll kind of explain how you can model it to find the answer. So we have 0.3 times 0.1. I'm going to fill in my 0.3 on this hundredths chart. So a hundredths chart shows that each individual square is 1/100th. Okay. So if each one is 1/100th, here's 1/100th, 2/100ths, 3/100ths, 4/100ths, 5/100ths, 6/100ths, 7/100ths, 8/100ths, 9/100ths, and after that, it'll move on to 1/10th. So this whole column is 1/10th. So I want 3/10ths. I'll just fill in 3 columns. Okay. Then I need to cross it with 1/10th. So I already went vertically, so now I'm going to go horizontally and do 1/10th. Okay. Now what I do is I'm going to go back and look at my drawing, and I'm going to count how many squares have both colors in it. So here's 1, 2, 3 hundredths. Okay, the squares that have both colors in it is my answer. So my answer is 3/100ths. Okay, if we remember how to write 3/100ths, it's 0.03. Because this right here is my hundredths place. Okay, I'm going to do it again with 0.8 and 0.3. So if I know 0.8 or 8/10ths is 8 columns, I'll fill in 8 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I know 3/10ths is 3 columns, but I already went vertically up and down. So now I'm going to go horizontally side to side for 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Okay, to find my answer of 0.8 times 0.3, I'm going to count all the squares that are both colors, which you can kind of see. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So my answer is 24/100ths. So if we remember how to write that, it's 0 decimal 2 4, because my 4 lands in my hundredths place. So that's how you write 24/100ths. Okay, so this is a good way to model how we can multiply decimals. So I want you to go ahead and use this to do your activity.